how to import a template into Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a template into Notion, perfect for managing projects, organizing notes, or simply trying something new. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, go to www.notion.so and log into your account. You can either use your email or click continue with Google to log in quickly without remembering another password. Once you're inside your workspace, navigate to the page where you want to add the template. Now, at the bottom center of your page, click the three-dot menu button. From the options that appear, select Import. You'll now see different sources to import from, but here we're focusing on uploading a template file from your computer. Click on Upload from your computer. Browse your files and select the Notion template you've previously downloaded. Once selected, hit Open and the import process will begin. After a few seconds, your template will appear in your workspace. You can now start editing and customizing it to match your needs. That's all for the video.